I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Measure 1 cup of dried lentils and spread them on a tray to pick out stones and debris. Rinse lentils under cold, running water until the water runs clear, removing dust and small particles. Pick out any split skins or tiny pebbles as you rinse. A fine mesh sieve helps. Soak lentils for 1 hour only if you want a slightly shorter cooking time. Rinsing is usually enough. Drain thoroughly. Preparing them this way avoids grit in your soup and ensures even cooking later on. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then sauté 1 medium onion and 2 garlic cloves until translucent for aromatic flavor. Add 1 carrot and 1 celery stalk chopped fine if desired, and cook 2 more minutes. Add the drained lentils and toast them for 30 seconds to deepen flavor. Pour in 3 cups of vegetable or chicken broth for each cup of lentils, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Simmer lentils gently for 20 to 25 minutes until tender but not. Season with salt only after lentils are tender to avoid tough skins. For 1 cup of dried lentils, add about 1 teaspoon salt toward the end. If you want creamier texture, mash 1/4 to 1/3 of the cooked lentils against the pot side. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice or 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar at the end to brighten the flavor. Adjust thickness with an extra ½ cup of broth if needed. Cool soup to room temperature. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 days or freeze for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.